the new puppy?
Yeah.
Down here by the pier, flying some drones. My boy Yuli Tostada. He's doing his, he's trying to use all on his drone. What? Something weird going on over here. There's a bunch of people laying all over the beach. Some dude's taking a picture or video of them. I'm gonna put the drone up and try to get some footage of it. It's kind of weird looking. Check out the sunset. I don't know what the heck those people are doing, but must be shooting a commercial or something. Maybe like, I don't know. See if that shows up somewhere. Look at the sunset. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see it from behind me. It's nice. These clowns over here clowning around.
Okay, now your turn. Oh, ready? You're just going to sand.
Until next video, peace.